Today topic is mitochondria. Mitochondria, unless specifically stained, are not easily visible under the microscope. The number of mitochondria per cell is variable depending on the physiological activity of the cell's shape and size. It is sausage-shaped or cylindrical, having a diameter of 0.2-1.0 μm, average 0.5 μm, and length 1.0-4.1 μm. Each mitochondrion is a double membrane-bound structure with the outer membrane and the inner membrane dividing its lumen distinctly into two aqueous compartments, the outer compartment and the inner compartment. The inner compartment is filled with a dense homogeneous substance called the matrix. The outer membrane forms the continuous limiting boundary of the organelle. The inner membrane forms a number of enfolding called the cristae towards the matrix. The cristae increase the surface area. The two membranes have their own specific enzymes associated with the mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are the sites of aerobic respiration. They produce cellular energy in the form of ATP, hence they are called powerhouses of the cell. The matrix also possesses single circular DNA molecule, a few RNA molecules, ribosomes, 70s, and the components required for the synthesis of proteins. The mitochondria divide by fission. Next topic is plastids. Plastids are found in all plant cells and in euglenoides. They are easily observed under the microscope as they are large. Based on the type of pigments, plastids can be classified into chloroplasts, chromoplasts, and leucoplasts. The chloroplasts contain chlorophyll and carotenoid pigments which are responsible for trapping light energy essential for photosynthesis. The chromoplasts, fat-soluble carotenoid pigments like carotene, xanthophylls and others are present. The part of the plant a yellow, orange, or red color. The leucoplasts are the colorless plastids of varied shapes and sizes with stored nutrients. Amyloplasts store carbohydrates, starch, e.g., potato. Elaioplasts store oils and fats, whereas the aleuroplasts store proteins. The chloroplasts of the green plants are found in the mesophyll cells of the leaves. They are lens-shaped, oval, spherical, discoid, or even ribbon-like organelles having variable length, 510 μm, and width, 24 μm. The number varies from 1 per cell of the chlamydomonas, a green alga, to 20 to 40 per cell in the mesophyll. Like mitochondria, the chloroplasts are also double membrane bound too. The inner chloroplast membrane is relatively less permeable. The space limited by the inner membrane of the chloroplast is called the stroma. A number of organized flattened membranous sacs called the thylakoids are present in the stroma. Thylakoids are arranged in stacks like the piles of coins called grana or the intergranal thylakoids. Flat membranous tubules called the stroma lamellae connecting the thylakoids. Of the different grana, the membrane of the thylakoids enclose a space called a lumen. The stroma of the chloroplast contains enzymes required for the synthesis of carbohydrates and proteins, small, double-stranded circular DNA molecules and ribosomes. Chlorophyll pigments are present in the thylakoids. The ribosomes of the chloroplasts are smaller, 70s, than the cytoplasmic ribosomes, 80s.